Looking for a way to light up your New Year's celebration? You may be in luck. Local stands all across East Texas still have plenty of supplies to fill all your pyrotechnic needs. Pappy's fireworks stand on the corner of Spur 248 and Farm to Market Road 848 have been in business for 30 years. They tell us so far they've had more customers this year than last year, and their busiest day will be New Year's Eve. Adding with more people buying them, they're warning people that fireworks are more dangerous than some give them credit for.
I've met a blind guy who got shot in the eye with a Roman candle, but I mean that's all totally avoidable if you just don't do certain things with fireworks. If you're going to be close to fireworks, you'll be setting them off, and if you're going to do something that's maybe not so smart with them, I would say wear eye protection. That's the biggest thing, and don't hold anything that's going to explode.
Stands have to close down and stop selling fireworks by midnight on Wednesday. While sales are legal, setting off fireworks is considered illegal inside city limits for most cities in East Texas, like Tyler and Longview. Violations can carry fines up to $2,000. Coming up next